Those are the ones that we use for making the black mole. The black mole has 7 different chiles and 25 spices. Or the spices depends on the family recipe too, you know. Like for example, Chile black mole has mulato, chile ancho negro, chilcosle, chilhuacle negro. This we have it in 2 colors. We have it in black and we have it in red. Okay. And this is endemic from Oaxaca. So the chilhuacle negro, we have it in 2 colors. So we have it in red, no, 3 colors. Red, yellow, and black. And those are endemic from Oaxaca and we use it for the moles.
Do you use it for
These
anything
have a
else?
special flavor. Excuse me?
Do you use it for anything else? Just mole?
Just for the moles.
Right.
And like every chile, especially in Oaxaca, have their specialty. The chiles that we use for the mole, we're not going to use for salsas. There are only 2 chiles that we use for salsas. Meco and...
Arbol?
No, for moles, no. Meco.
Ch-
Meco and guajillo.
Salsa, meco,
And moles too. Those are
where would you use
chile de árbol for salsa.
salsa? Okay.
That's cumin that comes from Oaxaca.
I use that for myself.
Okay, and the chiles that you see, that chile chiltepec, the chile that you see right over there, we call it meco. And that we use it for moles and for salsas.
I've never seen those.
Okay, here comes the chile that you were asking.
Conumbo.
Those are smoked chile, chile pasilla oaxaqueño. And those, if you want a good chile pasilla relleno, you have to soak it for an hour in hot water and a little bit of salt so they can have a good flavor. Then you can stuff them with chicken, the recipe that I give you, or you can stuff them with cheese or tuna fish. But that's the way we prepare it.
Two good shots.
So, Will, this is the dry chili that's used for stuffing.
Oh,
This
that's
is
that
smoked-
little.
Smell
Chile
it.
pasilla.
Smell it.
Well, we have different sizes for stuffing, for salsas.
okay.
The big ones are for stuffing.
Which are the ones for salsa?
Oh, gusto verte.
Hi guys.
He's a wonderful guy,
How you
you know.
doing?
He knows everything about the market,
Oh, cool.
and he gives wonderful tours too.
Hi, hello.
Guys, how are you guys?
Really good.
Her mother is from Oaxaca, y tu papá es de Honduras.
Yeah, my dad is from Honduras and from Oaxaca.
Oh, cool.
So he had a wonderful combination.
Ah.
Ah, bravo.
Glad you guys have enjoyed your day.
Thanks for saying
Thanks,
that.
man.
Nos vemos, gusto
Cuídate
verte.
mucho, gusto verte.
Does he work here? Does he give tours?
No, her mother made memelitas in the market.
Oh, okay.
And those are pumpkin seeds for making pipián. So you can see all the chiles. This is a smoked chile too that we call it morita. This is serrano chile. And we use it for making salsa. So that's chipotle, red chipotle, and we have the black chipotle. So you can mix all the chiles and then, you know.
You're better mixing.
We do it with 1 chile. We can do it with 3. We can do it with 4 chiles.
You just mix and match.
Just,
If we were
you know,
making-
everything depends on you. How do you want to come back?
Like at home, the chili con carne. So what type of chili would you use? Does it matter, or for that you use whatever you
For
have?
stuffing?
No, just we make chili.
think they have-
what do you-
that's
no, we
not
don't make that here. There's
Mexican, no.
nothing. It's,
Well,
it's,
the
it's ground
Tex-
beef,
yeah.
Texan. Yeah, okay.
The Texan dish here we use the guajillo and chile de árbol. That's the red chile that is hanging over there.
Those ones, the long ones.
Those are the ones.